I'm quitting the gym right now. But when should you do it? Now, yesterday, 2 days after a leg day, you're trying to go to the bathroom, but your quads and hamstrings won't let you. And this is not a peace sign, by the way. So let's get started. So before I can officially say as to why you should quit and when, just know that when it comes to building muscle, all that pretty much is breaking your body down and forcing it to repair itself. And one way that the body repairs itself is by increasing muscle size and increasing the amount of muscle tissue that you have in your body. And there lies the problem when it comes to building muscle. You have to break your body down. At some point, you can't keep breaking it down. You'll have nothing left. So what do we do? Bro, I know what you mean by breaking your body down to no end, but isn't that just where rest days, sleeping, and the recovery stack that I bought from my favorite influencer for 60% off with that discount code comes into? No? So I understand rest days and sleeping are a great way to recover, so that way you're not breaking your body down to no end. The whole recovery stack thing, not too sure about. But when it comes to that, of course, rest days and sleeping are a great way to recover. It's going to be different for everybody because we're all different. Some people need, 9 to 10 hours of sleep to feel amazing. Others 6 or 7. Some people might need, 2 days a week off for rest days. Some people might need, 1 day. It's all up to you basically though. But there are times though when you've been training for 6-7 months straight, you're sleeping the right way, you're having the rest days, but your body's like, it's not enough. That's when the quitting comes in. And when I say quit, I mean the gym does not exist. Take it out of your mind. Don't go past it. Don't even look at it. Don't go on IG and look up fitness videos. Make sure the gym does not exist whatsoever. Whether it's quitting for a week, 2 or 3, it's up to you. Only you know when your body feels right. And I want to preface this though to make sure there's a difference between being sore from lifting and trying to build muscle and your body not being right. Only you with experience and knowing your body is gonna know that. So just be careful with that. Don't be like, oh, I'm sore and I'm not gonna go to the gym today, 2-3 weeks off or a month off. It's not gonna work. And during that time of quit, that does not mean you can cheat or quit on your nutrition. That always stays year-round, 365, 24/7. And even though I just said take the gym out of your mind a couple seconds ago, I should just say do this one thing. During this time of quit, you can adjust your workout program, tweak it a little bit, see what you can do better, and things of that nature. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, turn on that bell, and leave a comment down below. And always remember to make mirrors your canvas, weight your paintbrush, sweat your paint, and may your drawing always be beautifully unfinished. RYF, RYW.